talons slash the skies. Lions drive chaos through the grass. Below, crocodiles strike without warning. Seven wonders, seven battlegrounds. Every level of nature fights for control. Where are you watching from? This is Africa, raw and unfiltered. Follow the chase and be part of the wild. Africa's wild animals battle on nature's fiercest stages. In Ngorongoro, lions roar with dominance. Kilimanjaro's eagles dive with precision. Nile's crocodiles strike from the shadows. Okavango's wild dogs sprint through wetlands. Sahara's camels endure scorching sands. Red Sea turtles glide through vibrant reefs. Each wonder is a battlefield where only the wild survive. Now, let's step into their relentless fight for survival. Ngoro Crater, a 100-square-mile volcanic caldera, is a primal battleground. Home to 25,000 large animals, it hosts Africa's highest lion density, 20 to 25 per 40 square miles. Here, wild animals battle for dominance. As lions and hyenas clash, their cries echoing across the grasslands, black-maned lions rule Ngorongoro. Their roars carry nearly 5 miles, acting as spacing signals that reduce fights and hold compact crater-bound territories. In cohesive prides, lionesses coordinate drives, reading wind, cutting angles, and channeling zebras into narrow escape corridors. Zebras are targeted because herd spacing and flight lines are predictable on open grass. Precision over brute force lifts success to about 30% at dawn and dusk. Sustaining cub survival under constant hyena pressure. But hyenas challenge their reign. With 380 to 470 individuals, these bold scavengers outnumber lions. Female hyenas, 20% larger than males, lead the clans. Coordination relies on vocal signals. Long whips recruit help over distance, while rapid giggles mark tension at carcasses. Against lions, they probe, retreat, and re-engage until the opportunity shifts. Often stealing prey and forcing lions to change where they move in the crater. The crater's ecosystem thrives on this brutal rivalry. Lions hunt to feed their pride, while hyenas exploit every opportunity, turning the grasslands into a tense battlefield. Each clash tests strength, cunning, and endurance. They remain evenly matched, with neither side yielding.
As you can see,
As the dust settles in Ngorongoro, the struggle for survival continues beyond its walls. Other African wonders await, where different creatures face their own fierce trials. Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak at more than 19,300 feet, spans ecological zones from rainforest to an icy summit. This rugged landscape hosts fierce wildlife. Crowned eagles dominate the skies, while elephants shape the land below. Crowned eagles hunt with deadly precision. Diving at 100 miles per hour, their talons exert 68 pounds per square inch. They plunge through the rainforest, snatching monkeys with razor-sharp claws. These silent hunters dominate Kilimanjaro's canopy. Their strikes swift and unforgiving. On the ground, elephants carve a different legacy. Migrating between Amboseli and Kilimanjaro, these giants disperse seeds, sustaining 30% of the forest's trees. Their paths create vital corridors through the red earth. Images of massive tuskers trudging past green forests highlight their role as ecosystem engineers, ensuring the land thrives. Kilimanjaro's extremes test both predator and protector. As eagles soar and elephants roam, their efforts sustain a delicate balance. beyond this mountain, other African battlegrounds await, each with its own fierce struggles. The Nile River, stretching 4,130 miles, is a lifeline through the desert. This deadly waterway, where wild animals thrive, is ruled by silent predators. Crocodiles and shoebill storks dominate its banks, their patience as lethal as their strike. Nile crocodiles lurk beneath the surface. They can remain motionless for hours, allowing their prey to come within range. With a bite force of 3,600 pounds, they ambush antelopes, executing a brutal death roll to dismember prey. These predators dominate the river, controlling ecosystems through sheer force and calculated patience. Shoebill storks, with their prehistoric beaks, stand motionless for hours. They hunt fish, snakes, and even young crocodiles with surgical precision. The moment it strikes, its sharp beak snatching shut in an instant. Their eerie stillness masks a deadly intent. The Nile's quiet surface hides a savage struggle. As crocodiles and shoebills reign, other African landscapes pulse with their own fierce battle. Africa's battlegrounds face grave threats. Ngorongoro's lions and hyenas decline, with lion numbers down 43% in 20 years. Kilimanjaro's ice has shrunk 85% since 1912. Pollution chokes the Nile. Droughts hit Okavango. The Sahara expands and Red Sea corals bleach. These wild animals and ecosystems battle human impact and climate change. Hope lies in action. Earth Ranger protects Ngorongoro. Kilimanjaro's reforestation grows. The Great Green Wall restores 160,000 hectares. Okavango Eternal and turtle conservation revive ecosystems. Share our story to protect these wonders. Choose sustainable travel and reduce waste to save Africa's heritage. The fight for these wonders continues beyond the horizon.